Hello everyone. We think that the pavilion in Sugita laboratory is artistic and can create a space with meaning. The project is licensed to use only wood, and the use of nail and asbestos is also listed. Therefore, we wanted to make it possible for people to come in and relax using and pavilion so that we could experience the aroma and atmosphere of the distinctive wood. So what we thought was to create a space where you could be more relaxed by the way the light entered. In this pavilion, hexagons are stacked by changing and angle and size. The lower third of the total height is the entrance in. Upper two thirds, the opening for taking in light from the outside, is scattered while changing and the angle. The top opening can receive light from all angles almost equally, and it is also possible to maintain a reasonable brightness, not too bright or too dark. In addition, I succeeded producing a space where the feeling of pressure was softened by twinning it out so that it becomes a space with a feeling of pressure when it is stacked straight up to the upper part, making it a space with a feeling of pressure. The reason for making it hexagonal is how light enters. If it is less than a hexagon, each opening becomes too large. If it is more than a heptagon, the opening becomes too fine and the space becomes restless. Thank you.